I've had a neck pain over here for the past 3 months and I've been thinking of going to a chiropractor. Should I be doing that?
Let me explain. This is your cervical spine, your neck, right? Now, if you look here, there are two red structures running up either side. These are the vertebral arteries. They supply blood up to your brain. If you have a violent maneuver undertaken on your neck, that can cause this to be injured. That can lead to a stroke and even death. So while rare, that's a complication I'm not willing to accept. If a patient comes in, they tell me that chiropractic helps them, I won't necessarily dissuade them from going, but it's not something I'd actively recommend for the cervical spine, especially if it's a forceful maneuver.